Hi guys, treasure chest is ready. It's done. Man, I've been wanting to launch this in this fashion, in an organized way for everybody. You can have all the tools, easy to do. So I'm so excited to share this with you. You can have access to it now. We're gonna have a link in the description of this video. You can always email me with questions, childcarebizconsulting@gmail.com. And we'll probably put a card up here, possibly with a link. So you always have access to the treasure chest. Here we go. Let's jump in. I'm gonna show you around. Let me give you an orientation. Okay, so here we're looking at the treasure chest. This is an app called Trello. And this is simply how we organized it. Quick orientation. You have what's called lists. These are different lists of categories. And then you have cards. So this here is a card within the list. This, for example, is where we'll house all of the treasure chest orientation. So videos in here, just give that a click, scroll down, and this video is showing you how to download files from the treasure chest. All right, so we'll do a little bit of navigation here. Here is our CMT roster. These trainings coincide with this card right here. Give the card a click, scroll down, and here you can see there's a couple of attachments. I've attached a basic CCBC Center Management Tool. I've dated it 2022 1.0, and then the premium one. So if you click on those, here is the Center Management Tool with classroom simply set up with one placeholder per day per child. So if you want something really basic, I've had a lot of requests for this, then we've got pre-built classrooms in here, and you can change the classrooms, you can modify this all your own. And again, the brains of your center to be able to see your revenue, your enrollment, all of these things. I've got tons of training already tucked in here to show you how to utilize this projected gross revenue, maximum revenue, MOT, or money left on the table. So all kinds of tools like that are tucked in here. You've seen my videos, you've seen plenty of orientation on that. I'm not going to teach you how to use that here, just what's here. The waiting list is also sitting here for you. So give that a click. And as you can see, we've got Excel waiting list as well as a Google waiting list. So you can click on those. Here's Excel, you simply download that. Here's the Google Sheets waiting list for you as well. A few other things that we have in here and what's happening here. If you haven't seen any of my videos on that, that is such a great tool for organizing. We started using that 12 years ago, and now we took it to Google Sheets, and it's just great. Lets everybody know, drop-ins, tours, all that kind of good stuff. Here's some enrollment inquiries. These are exclusive to the treasure chest. I only have snippets on our CCBC YouTube channel, but these are hours of phone calls that I've made and others. Train your admin on how to answer the phone, take enrollment calls. So I've done a bunch of that for you. Rate guides, enrollment forms in here for you. Staff training, here's a staff schedule. So here's an example of our staff schedule. Google Sheet, again, mobile app on your desktop computer. All of that is tucked in there for you. This is going to continue to grow. Here's a list of resources for our food program, a Google menu, a recipe book with 70 recipes on there, our records of meals served. Here's a center toolbox and a bunch of tools over here for you as well. All of the tools that you've seen on my YouTube platform are going to be in here. And if there's something you don't see, let me know. So here's what we're going to do. To support you in your investment in the treasure chest, the cost of the treasure chest, which we're going to cost out at $1,500 or $1,499. For the initial rollout, we're going to take $1,000 off of that. So you're going to be able to jump in for just $500, $499. You'll have access to all the tools. You'll have access to all the trainings. If there's something you don't understand, reach out, let me know. I'll build that training for you. The other thing is I'm going to provide 12 live workshops. So every month on the second Tuesday of each month, I'm going to do a live workshop with you. It should be at 11:30 Mountain Standard Time. So it'll be via Zoom, and we can talk about the tools you're using. We can talk about how to customize any challenges you might have, because there is some complexity in there, but let me basic it up for you. And that's what I'll do in those workshops. And then I'll make those workshops, some of the recordings live available for other people to support you. In case you jump in mid-year, you can go back to those workshops and see all the help and support we've given. I want to help and support you in your center. I hope you know that. If you've watched my videos, you know my passion. I've invested so much in other tools and other subscriptions and other things that I've tried to help my business with, and some have worked a little bit, some have been okay, but this is what's helped me be so successful in our program in the last 18 years. Let me help your program. If you're struggling, jump in. Let me hold your hand. Let me dive in and help you. And by using this system to organize your classrooms, your staff schedule, I hope you're excited that it's here. We'll put some links. I think I mentioned that before. There'll be a card up there, maybe at the beginning of this video. In the description, it'll be a link that take you to childcarebizconsulting.com. And then you can purchase and subscribe to the treasure chest there. That $4.99 is going to be for a 1-year subscription for 12 months. And remember, you can download these tools and then they're yours. There's no subscription to Google that you have to pay for. These are yours, but you have a whole 12 months to get in there and download them and utilize them. Okay, and then you've got ongoing support for the next 12 months for me, and who knows what 2023 is going to hold. Hopefully a bunch more great things. I hope you're as excited as I am to jump in and start taking better control of your center. I want to help you be profitable. I want to help you save some time, save money, make money so you can pour that back into your staff, your children, your community, and you, into your longevity in your program. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Jump in. It's going to be great. Have a marvelous day.